Cibari Corner. I am Adi, your host for today's segment, where we explore the issues that matter. With me is Ilman, passionate human rights advocate who has spent years researching and raising awareness about the situation in Palestine. Thank you for being here, Ilman.
Waalaikumsalam, Adi. Thank you for having me. It's truly honored to speak on such an important platform.
To begin, can you share a bit about your background and how you became involved in advocating for Palestine?
Certainly, I began my journey in human rights during my university years, where I studied international relations. What brought me to the Palestinian cause was witnessing the immense suffering and injustice faced by the people there. Over time, I've worked with NGOs, lead awareness campaigns, and spoken at several forums to shed light on this humanitarian crisis.
Thank you, Ilman. Now, for our listeners who may not be aware, could you describe the current situation in Palestine?
The situation remains extremely difficult in areas like Gaza and the West Bank. Many Palestinians live under occupation and blockade. Families are displaced and basic needs like food, clean water and medical aid are severely limited. The conflict has created a constant state of fear and instability.
And how does this affect the daily life of civilians?
Daily life is a struggle. Children grow up surrounded by violence. Access to education and healthcare is limited. People live with the fear of losing their homes or loved ones. Their freedom of movement is restricted and hope can sometimes feel distant.
What role can ordinary people play in supporting Palestine?
Start by educating yourself and others. Share reliable information, support humanitarian organization and advocate for justice through peaceful means. Even small effort can contribute to greater awareness and pressure on leaders to act.
Powerful word. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's been really eye-opening.
Thank you, Adi, and thank you to everyone listening.
Let's wrap up this segment of Cibari Corner. Until next time, stay informed and stay kind. Assalamualaikum.